Hey everyone, welcome again. So, this is what I was talking about the DID Studio. You need to be very much careful about the website. I'll have all of the descriptions in the resources section, so not to worry about that. So, let's look at the intro video. So, this is actually how it will convert images into videos. You will provide the audios, you will provide the images, and they will, with the help of AI, make it into a wonderful video. So, folks, it is a really wonderful technology. Let's take a tour. First, create videos, then library, then API, and all of that. Pricing and login. Because I have not logged in, so we need to log in. Let's look at the pricing. If you look at the pricing, they have a variety of pricing. So, choose your plan and make your first video in minutes. They have a free trial, which is for 5 minutes. You'll only get 5 minutes of video time. You will get a $5 thing, a $34 thing, a $209 thing, and then an enterprise plan where you need to contact them. So there are different features that are added as and when your premium price increases. For example, in the trial version, you will have the DID watermark, and the time will be limited to like 5 minutes or something. The prompt will be limited, the characters will be limited, and that is how it works. In different versions, the thing changes, and that is how it works. When you go to the main website, which is www.didstudio.com, you will have this wonderful thing. They have created over 150 million videos ever since its inception in 2021. So basically, this business is doing quite well. I did a little research on them, and they have around 8 million monthly visits, which is fantastic for a new company, and they are doing quite a good job. They haven't sponsored this video, but because what is said, what is due, if credit is due, you need to give them, and they deserve the credit. So, folks, the question is not what or whether this technology is good or not. Okay, in some videos you'll get a bad output, and fine, that's okay. But if this is the first step and it is so phenomenal, think about what the second step's going to be, what the third step's going to be, what the fifth step's going to be. So this is the interface. We can create video from the top right hand side as I've zoomed in, and we can create wonderful videos. But you need to remember, because we are signing up for the trial version, no credit card and all that